Yulong Motorcycle Parts Factory has more than 20 die casting machines, 24 hours production. The daily output value can reach 500,000 yuan, and Yulong Company not only set up independent mold factory, there is its own surface treatment department, which can complete all aspects of motorcycle parts production independently. No need external cooperation processing, so that quality, production cycle, product precision can be controlled. Yulong can not only guarantee the delivery time and quality of products, but also help customers to save costs.